Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about fever. Fever is also known as pyrexia. Pyrexia is one of the most important topic of medical science. It means a raised body temperature from normal set point, meaning thereby fever is a medical condition in which our body temperature get elevated from normal set point value. Once again, what is pyrexia? Pyrexia is a clinical condition. This is the pathological condition. This is medical condition in which our body temperature get elevated. Our body temperature get increased. Our body temperature get raised from normal set point value of temperature. Now what is normal set point value? So normal set point value of our body temperature range 37.2 to 38.3 degrees Celsius. This is the normal set point value of our body temperature. This is equal to 37.2 to 38.3 degrees Celsius is equal to 99 to 100.9 degree Fahrenheit in human. This normal set point value have been evaluated and standardized by researchers and scientists. So this is the standard normal set point value of our body temperature. So what is fever? Fever may be defined as the elevated body temperature from normal set point value is described as fever. Once again, what is fever? Fever is a medical condition in which our body temperature get increased from normal set point value of our body temperature. Now, which organ or which part or which system is responsible to regulate and maintain our body temperature? So, this hypothalamus is known as thermoregulatory part of our body. Hypothalamus is known as temperature regulatory or temperature controlling device. This is the thermoregulatory device. Which one? Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is found in central nervous system, that is in brain. Hypothalamus is a section of our brain, our central nervous system, which is responsible to control our body temperature. However, hypothalamus act as an endocrine gland from which so many types of hormones are released. But here in this video, we have to concentrate our talk only on thermoregulatory function of hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is thermoregulatory device, that is the biological device which is naturally present in our central nervous system, that is in brain. Each and every person of this world have central nervous system, that is brain, in which this thermoregulator as a device present in the brain. Now, what are agents? What are factors in which this thermoregulation get altered? This thermoregulatory process get disturbed, get altered. Answer is any disease, infection, inflammation or trauma which is responsible to alter the thermoregulatory set point of the hypothalamus. Now, if there is any infection or inflammation or trauma, our immune system come into a special action and there will be immune response, and as a result of immune response there will be battle between the disease causing agent and immune components, and as a result of this battle pyrogens are produced. Pyrogens are produced by infectious agents. That infectious agent may be bacteria, fungi, viruses or protozoans, meaning thereby pathogens. Pathogens will produce pyrogens, and these pyrogens reached by blood circulatory circuit to the hypothalamus, where the normal set point of temperature regulation present, and these pyrogens alter the normal set point of temperature, and there will be febrile response and fever come. So these pyrogens are important to understand how our body temperature get raised. So we have to discuss in molecular level of these pyrogenic substances in the way of febrile response. So pyrogens are produced by pathogenic agents. These pyrogens activate the abnormal production of prostaglandin E2. The pathway of the synthesis of prostaglandin E2 get abnormally activated and prostaglandin E2 get increased in our body. There is normal concentration of prostaglandin E2 in our blood, but if there is infection or inflammation, pyrogens are produced, and now these pyrogens activate the synthetic pathway of prostaglandin E2. Now this prostaglandin E2 reached in hypothalamus by crossing blood brain barrier and alter the normal set point value of thermoregulation, and there will be a febrile response, and as a result of febrile response fever come. Now what is fever? Fever occurs due to febrile response, and this febrile response is defined as the controlled increase in body temperature. But this febrile response generation is induced by prostaglandin E2, and prostaglandin E2 itself is synthesized by the activation of prostaglandin E2 synthesizing pathway by pyrogens. So pyrogens are responsible to produce fever, and these pyrogens come where from? These pyrogens are coming from infectious agents. Infectious agents may be bacteria, pathogenic viruses, pathogenic fungi. So pyrogens are important. Now pyrogens are of two types. One is known as exogenous pyrogens, second one is endogenous pyrogens. Exogenous pyrogens are those type of pyrogens which are coming from outside the body as a bacteria, viruses or any other pathogens. So pyrogens are of two types, exogenous pyrogens and endogenous pyrogens. Endogenous pyrogens are those type of pyrogens which are produced in our body during the process of immune response. Whenever immune response are generated, then certain type of pro-inflammatory or an inflammatory cytokines are produced, as for example IL-6, IL-1, interferon gamma, tumor necrosis factor. These are the pyrogenic cytokines which are responsible to produce fever. So pyrogens are substances that produce fever. Fever producing substances are known as pyrogens. That's why the name Pyrexia. Pyrexia is named on the basis of this substance, that is the pyrogens. So in this video we simply tried to understand the fever or pyrexia on molecular level. Thanks for watching.